Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to Sirennet Television. Now, again, agencies have a variety of different vehicles that they're going to use over the years from time to time, and the Ford Transit van has become quite popular here in the US, as it is in other parts of the world, particularly in the UK, where law enforcement has used it for many, many years. But this particular vehicle, the setup over at Star Car has just completed, is in relation to a Ford Transit van that's going to be used for sort of a meter maid and code enforcement, so a variety of applications. The lighting package is straightforward and easy. We've got some Feniex dual color hideaways being mounted inside the vehicle, as well as some fusion technology also from Feniex, and throw in a set of Canon hideaways. What more could you ask for? Sirennet rocker switch makes it simple, makes it easy, and it works very effectively. So there you have it, straightforward and easy. Ford Transit van is in service right now. Simple, easy, and effective setup from the gang at Star Car. I'm Stuart, and as always, many thanks for watching Sirennet Television.